And the pain was unbearable. But now, well, no symptoms as such. I can go to work, I'm doing everything I should be doing. Even the boys are saying it's great to have you back, just not moaning about your back. Don't get me wrong, it's hard when you're coming home from work and to do your exercises, but you've got to put the work in, you've got to put the time in, get the exercises done. You gain confidence back for sure. Yeah. So everything's been good, really good. It doesn't give me any bother when I'm in work at all.
What would you say you're at right now at this halfway point?
I think I'm about 75%. It's been enjoyable doing it. Just thinking that little simple movements can get you better and get you to where you want to be. But like you said, you need that guidance, don't you? You need someone telling you, you need to do this every day. And you giving me emails every day, it gives you that little edge just to get them done. Well, I think I got off the cocodamol. I think I got off them within about 4 weeks, I think, from starting the program. So that just made me feel better in itself. I'm over the moon at how it's going. I think I'm at this stage at halfway. Think what I'd be like when I'm fully recovered.
I'm so happy that you're getting what you wanted of this and that you're getting back to the life that you want to live. That's
yeah, definitely.